Today, I'll show you how to create your own line-following robot step by step. First, let's gather all the components. You'll need an Arduino Uno, which acts as the brain of your robot. Then, a motor driver module like the L298N to control the motors, IR sensors to detect the line, and 2 DC motors with wheels for movement. A sturdy robot chassis will hold everything together, and finally, a 9-volt battery will provide power. Now let's assemble the robot. Start by connecting the IR sensors to the Arduino. These sensors detect the difference between black and white surfaces, guiding the robot along the line. Next, connect the motor driver module to the Arduino, which controls the speed and direction of the motors. Secure the sensors and motors onto the chassis, ensuring the sensors face downward toward the ground. Lastly, attach the 9-volt battery to the motor driver to supply power to the entire system. It's time to program the robot. Open the Arduino IDE and upload the code. The program processes signals from the IR sensors and tells the motors how to move. If the left sensor detects black, the robot turns left. If the right sensor detects black, it turns right. If both sensors detect white, the robot moves forward. Connect the Arduino to your computer using a USB cable, upload the code, and make sure all the connections are tight. Now comes the exciting part, testing your robot. Place it on a surface with a black line on a white background. Turn on the power and watch as the robot follows the line. It makes smooth turns and adjusts its path based on the signals from the sensors. You can even experiment with different line designs or improve the robot's performance by tweaking the code. And there you have it, a fully functional line-following robot. Try it yourself, explore your creativity, and dive deeper into the amazing world of robotics. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting projects.